scared of the ducks. What's inside? Well, we meet again. Master Lubert. Then his soldiers, they go to the this again. I'm not a child, I'll be the next craft lord. Why are you doing this? This is madness. I thought all craft lords were working to are really planning to unally yourself with the Daedalians. You're too self-hearted, too innocent. The hero, Shintetsu's daughter, is just asking as her father. Yes, this is great, a great opportunity to teach you how strong a craft lord can be. Although when the lesson's over, your spirit won't be in this world any longer. Pati, I'll take care of him. Now, Warren smiled. Okay, and understand that you beat this time. Stupid game, mustache mo. Shut up, little boy. Black Spirit, I summoned thee from the nether dimension. Oh my god. Now then, I'm going to punish you one at a time. Shut up, I won't be beaten by an evil old trouble. Nice. Yes, I did it. Good job, Patty. Yes, but you did a lot. No, I don't believe it what happened. I'm a craft lord. Stop making a fool of yourself, Master Lubert. Just who was trying to end his career as a craft lord and join the Daedalians? Master Sakura. You notice it too, didn't you? Because the thing inside there is something growing that you're familiar with. What is it? Master Lubert, why don't you tell them by yourself? Go on. Well, listen closely, little ones. Inside that crate is a small part of the fire spirit, Arista, the Holy Spirit of the City of Swords. Daedaleia intends to use Arista's power to fight wars all across the world. They need this piece of flame for research and experimentation to see if Arista can be controlled and heard.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British grenadiers.